Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you do the rest. New haircut, who dis? All right, let's get back into it. May 19th, with a Supreme Court order, stay granted for ending of temporary protective services for 350,000 Venezuelans. All right, the Supreme Court issued an order granting an application for a stay requested by the Trump administration. The stay pauses a lower court's order from the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California, which had blocked the Trump administration's attempt to terminate temporary protected status for approximately 350,000 Venezuelans living in the United States. Temporary protected status was given to Venezuelans in 2021 because of the dangerous environment in Venezuela. So think political violence, starvation, and a collapsed economy under the Maduro regime of Venezuela. So the current administration issued a notice in February 2025 that would cancel the temporary protected status for Venezuelans, which was followed by the injunction put in place by Judge Chen of California. The president's administration appealed the injunction put in place by the district court to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, but the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals declined to pause the injunction. So the administration then filed an emergency application for a stay with the Supreme Court. And this is where we get to today. The Supreme Court's decision to grant the stay to Trump administration allows the administration to proceed with the temporary protected status termination and subsequent deportations pending further legal proceedings. There is, however, a special note in the order that the administration cannot yet cancel certain documents like work permits that last until October 2026, providing a temporary shield for some of the Venezuelans currently in possession of those documents. So, what happens now? The case now goes back to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals for review, which, given that they chose to uphold the injunction on the temporary protected status termination from the district court once already, this makes one believe that they will probably do the same again. Either way, both sides can petition the Supreme Court for a review after the Ninth Circuit makes its decision. However, by granting this stay, the Supreme Court is basically saying that there is strong evidence to suggest that the Trump administration would be found to be within its power to cancel the temporary protected status and deport these individuals. And this lines up with past Supreme Court cases that have basically affirmed the power of the executive branch when it comes to immigration. So that's it for that one. Remember, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.